much for watching. In today's video, I had put a post on my Instagram asking what sort of makeup look I should film for today, and then one of the suggestions that I got was from one of my coworkers who is actually going to be getting married in South Africa this summer. So she had said that she had been inspired by the smoky eye of Selena Gomez's smoky eye, where things really still kept cool, still kept warm toned, but a dark brown as opposed to kind of the traditional black smoky eye. So in this makeup look today, I did try to depict a dark brown smoky eye that is very wearable. Again, I did try to film it kind of inspired by the fact that my coworker friend is going to be getting married this summer, so it is kind of a, bridal makeup inspired makeup, but otherwise can definitely be worn in other settings. I hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye! So off camera, I did apply some of my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion because I do tend to get a little bit oily eyelids, and this just helps to make my eyeshadow last all day. And then using my Makeup Essentials Classic 10 eyeshadow palette, this is the darker palette. I'm just taking this dark brown shadow on my finger, just applying that all over my lid, and then taking a big fluffy brush and blending out all of the edges. The fluffier the brush, the more diffused your eyeshadow is going to be. So I'm taking this slightly smaller, denser brush, and then with this lighter shadow, just kind of putting that all on my under eye, which is going to make it a little bit more pigmented, since again it is a little bit more denser of a shadow. And then I'm going to apply that dark brown eyeliner all through my waterline and all over the top of my eyelid. And then taking this little smudger tool, I'm just going to go along that eyeliner and smudge out the eyeliner. The cool thing with doing a dark brown smoky eye is that really just having a little bit of liner or a little bit of mascara, in my case lashes, really makes all of the definition and really gives that smoky eye effect. And then just taking these lighter of these two shades, I'm going to pack this all along my brow bone just to give a little bit of extra definition, and then just to kind of fill in the rest of the lashes, I'm going to apply some of my Big Lash Volume Mascara, or Loose Pigment from Smolder Cosmetics, and it is just so gold and glowy, but I just think that, with any type of brown smoky eye, there needs to be a little bit of pop to the inner corner. And I'm going to line my lips with just a really simple pink lip liner, because this look was kind of inspired by Selena Gomez's Brown Smoky Eye. She had a really light pink lip going on, so I kind of just used whatever I had around, just giving me a light pink lip. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Very short little simple tutorial for me, simple. I know that there were a couple steps that could definitely be more simplified for other people, especially if you don't want this much makeup, if you don't want to wear eyelashes, even just going with mascara, things like that. All kinds of little things can be modified to everybody's taste. But again, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, stay tuned for more videos. Bye!